Welcome to the D2 Series Smart Door Lock User Guide. Installation Guide. Please prepare a screwdriver before installation. Check your door to see if the latch needs to be adjusted. Install the latch if the back set is to 3 and 60 mm. If the back set is 2 and 70 mm, twist the latch clockwise 180 to extend it, then install. Install the bolt. Insert and screw the deadbolt into the door frame. Make sure the word "up" on the bolt faces up, and the T-shaped hub is centered. Secure the deadbolt with the provided screws A. Installing the exterior assembly. Measure the diameter of the cross bore. Install the keypad if the cross bore is 2 1/8 and 54 mm. Remove the spacer if the cross bore is 1 and 38 mm, then install the keypad. Before installation, rotate the tailpiece of the lock cylinder and make sure it is in a horizontal position. Ensure the cable is routed under the deadbolt. Install the mounting bracket. Run the cable through the slot on the mounting bracket. Secure interior assembly mounting plate using screw C and tighten to secure the exterior assembly. Plug the cable to connect the interior assembly. Align the T-shaped tailpiece with T-shaped tailpiece receiver. Check that the deadbolt functions properly by turning the thumb turn. Insert and tighten the interior assembly with screws B. Insert the rechargeable battery. Once the setup is complete, reinstall the battery cover. Your lock is now ready to use.